back to Crabtree Creations. Today I'm going to be doing a really cute Easter craft for y'all. It's going to be these little bunnies, and they're going to be covered in yarn, and they're going to be sitting in a little pot like this. So what we're going to need for this craft, I have 2 of these tins, these flower and garden ones from the Dollar Tree. And then I have 2 of these wooden bunnies, and they were $2 at Dollar General. And then I have these wood dowels, where you get 15 wooden dowels for $1 at the Dollar Tree. And then I've got these pom-poms that I got a huge package of those several months ago from Hobby Lobby. And then I got these rocks from the Dollar Tree to weight down the pot. And then I got a 4-pack of these from the Dollar Tree, and they're size 1.4 inch by 2.6 inch by 3.3 inch, and four of them are floral foam. 4 of them come in there for $1 from the Dollar Tree. And then I got a 2-pack of these round ones for a Dollar Tree, and they're called floral foam as well, and they're 4.8 inch by 0.75 inch. So I have that, and then I've got some yarn. I got this cute pink and gray and black yarn, and then this brown and beige and blue yarn. One's going to be for my boy bunny, and one's going to be for my girl bunny. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get the pot, and I've already got 2 of these, so I'm going to put them down into the pot just like that. So just like that. And then I'm going to get some of these rocks to weight it down. So I'm just going to put them on the sides of the pot. Just to weight the pot down some. Okay, and then I'm going to get one of these, and it fits perfectly right in there, all nice and snug. See? Okay. And then, oh yeah, and then I've also got some Spanish moss that I'm going to put here on the top after I get it done. Okay, so then I'm going to open my dowels. And I'm going to use this. It's going to go right in there like that. And it's going to be glued to my bunny. And it's going to sit in there just like that. And so I'm going to have a boy bunny and a girl bunny. I'm going to have some Spanish moss around it. Okay, so I'm going to set this to the side for right now. Okay, and I want the girl boy bunny to be facing each other. So I'm going to start with the girl bunny. And I'm going to get this yarn. And if you saw my video on Tuesday, then you saw me do my cross. So I'm going to do this bunny similar to the way I did my cross with the jute twine. I'm going to take the yarn and then just go around the bunny. And as you can see, the bunny is a lot thicker than the yarn, so I'm going to do 2 rows of this around the bunny to start with. So I'm just going to pick a spot and put some hot glue on it. And I'm just going to start my yarn going around. Now that we've got 2 rows around the entire bunny, we're going to start going this way. Okay, so at first I started layering it one layer at a time, like this. And that was just not getting the desired results that I was wanting. So I decided to try something different. So I took off all I had done, cut it off. You can still see the glue. And I decided to try something different that I think that will give me the desired look I'm looking for better. So I'm just going to glue that first strip down, and then I'm just going to start haphazardly going back and forth, no set way, and then you can see there's different colors. That's more of the desired look I was going for. And it'll all eventually get covered, but it'll be a lot easier, and I'll get the desired look that I was wanting with a lot less work. Okay, this is what he looks like finished. Okay, so now I'm going to get my pot, and I'm going to slide my bunny down there. Okay, and then I'm going to hot glue my bunny butt on. And then I'm going to add some Spanish moss. There, now we have our finished girl bunny. So now I'm going to put together the boy bunny and add him on there, and he's going to be facing her. Okay, now I have my boy bunny finished and my tail on. So I'm going to bring my flower pot over, and I'm going to put my bunny down in my stick. Just like that. Okay, now I've got my girl bunny and my boy bunny. And I'm going to put these on my fireplace. Thanks for watching. See you next time.